Hi all, I am Smokerman and today I'm going to present you Android 8.1 for Redmi 1X. As you see, you have the notification light working on cyan, right? Here you have, I'm going to show in a bit how it goes. So here it is, Android 8.1 for Redmi 1S. Here it is. It's the lineage version. Although it has a few bugs, you have it. You have many options here. Okay, but it gives a few FCs. The storage, it's good. You have almost 5 gigabytes of storage. Okay, let me lower the brightness a bit, like this. Let's hope you're gonna see. Okay, it's like 5. The sound is good. You can hear it here. Okay, it's good. The network works fine. I have the 3G working fine. Here I have all my apps installed. Okay. The main bug, you see? Okay, it's nice, the sound. The only bug, it's the camera. You have to install, I have installed open camera, okay, as you see here, and it works fine. I'm gonna leave you the samples here. Okay, as you see, okay, a shot I have taken this afternoon. Okay, you see, I'm gonna leave the sample there. The shot I just taken now. Okay, the flash, it's a bit buggy, but with another app of camera you may solve that. But overall it's a great ROM. Okay, you have Wi-Fi working, Bluetooth working, so the video recording doesn't work. Okay, the video recording doesn't work. It's the main problem in the ROM. It's the video recording not working. It's a bit annoying, but I don't use it at this point. I think most of us don't use it. Just use this phone for a second phone or a third phone. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the ROM. Okay, I hope it's for daily usage. I'm using it since yesterday and it works fine. Okay, you have 1 or 2 bugs or problems, but overall you can use it. Don't forget to press thanks to developers. Okay, subscribe my YouTube, share it, okay, and comment please. If you wanna ask something, just comment. I'm Smokerman and thanks for watching.